Hi everyone, it's Matt from TravelJoy. Today I want to show you one of our most requested new features, our Zapier integration. Now, if you've ever copied information over from TravelJoy into another system, or just wished your different tools worked better together, this is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Zapier is an automation platform you can use to connect TravelJoy to thousands of other tools, like an email marketing platform, your bookkeeping software, project management tools, and more. Ultimately, that means less busy work. No more copying and pasting between different tools, no more exporting and importing. With TravelJoy and Zapier, you just get a simple, seamless, automated way to keep your data in sync in the background. Here are just a few things you can now automate. These are really simple examples, but these are the ones that we hear most often. When a new client gets created in TravelJoy, Zapier can automatically add them to your Flowdesk or MailChimp email marketing list. Or when you create a new trip, Zapier can create a Trello card to help you manage your workflow there. Or when you update a commission in TravelJoy, it can log those details in Google Sheets or send it to QuickBooks or another accounting platform. There are so many possibilities, and you can customize them based on how you work. Let's take a look at one of the most popular use cases, connecting TravelJoy to marketing tools. We'll dive into an example here to see how you would automatically add new TravelJoy clients to your Flowdesk email marketing list. In the past, you'd have to export your client list from TravelJoy, upload it to Flowdesk, and rinse and repeat every time you were going to send a newsletter. Now, your Flowdesk list can stay in sync with TravelJoy automatically. In Zapier, these automations are called zaps. Think of it like zapping your data from one tool to another. And then each zap has a trigger, which starts the automation, and then an action, which is what you want to have happen based on that trigger. For this zap, the trigger is a new client created in TravelJoy, and the action is to create or update a subscriber in Flowdesk. We map the client's name and email, and that's it. Once it's set up and live, it just works. Every time you add a new client in TravelJoy, or a client fills out your client inquiry form and gets created in TravelJoy, they'll now show up in Flowdesk with no extra work for you. And this is just one really simple example. You can create multi-step zaps, you can add in filtering, there's so many options, and the possibilities with Zapier are truly endless. And the best part is you don't even need to be tech savvy to get started. It's all a pretty simple drag and drop interface. If you're ready to start automating, the Zapier add-on is available for $29 a month. You'll find it under Membership in your Settings tab. If you have any questions, reach out anytime to premium@traveljoy.com. We're here to help. We can't wait to see how you use this to save time, stay organized, and grow your business.